Hello everyone, welcome back to Codeletics. This is Vaibhav Chauhan. As you already aware that I have started with the solution to the LeetCode SQL 50 study plan questions. In that we have previously covered the first two questions, that is this recyclable and the low fat products, and the second one is this find customer referee. You can see both of these questions video explanation is already available on YouTube on my channel, that is Codeletics. Also all these questions are available on the GitHub repository also. You can find the links in the description. So for today we are starting with the third question in this series. So the third question on this series, that is the LeetCode problem number 595, that is big countries. So we have provided with this world table which has the columns as the name, the continent, area, population and the GDP. The name is the primary key for this table. In each row of this table gives the information about the name of the country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, the population and its GDP value. A country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million kilometers square or it has the population of at least 25 million. The question is to write a solution to find name, population and area of the big countries. We can return this result in any order. So here we are provided with this sample world table, which you can see here. This is what that sample table is, and the expected output is in this format. This table is the expected output where we are getting the name, the population and area of the countries. So let's write the solution. For this solution I am using MySQL here. Okay, so let us start with the solution. So I will write the select query here. Select, we need first name, then second is population, third one is the area. I need all these from the world table, where now I need to apply the condition. Here we have given this condition that if the area is at least 3 million kilometers square or the population is at least 25 million, so our area is greater than or equals to this value 30 million, or our condition is the population should be at least 25 million. So the population is greater than or equals to 25 million. So this is the complete query. Let me run it now. And there we have it. We have got our expected table as the output one. So you can see the expected table and our output is same. So this is what the solution for this question, that is a LeetCode version number 595, that is big countries. So this query is the solution to this question. I hope you understand this solution. If you understood, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. I am posting a new video with new question and its solution on every day. So let's meet tomorrow with a new question and its solution. Till then, goodbye.